How to set up Shopify Payments. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to set up Shopify Payments. Shopify Payments is a payment processing solution that is built into Shopify. It allows you to accept payments from your customers without having to use a third-party payment processor. To set up Shopify Payments, you'll need to go to your admin panel on the left side at the bottom part of your dashboard. Click on Settings, and then you need to find Payment. And then in here, there are payment providers, supported payment methods, manual payment methods, and you can also customize your payments. And then we're going to select a provider, and there are benefits of using Shopify Payments. It is easy to set up and use. It is secure and reliable. It is affordable. It is integrated with Shopify, so it is easy to manage your payments in all one place. So in here, as you can see, it is unavailable in my country, but there are a lot of payment providers that is suitable for you that you can choose from and that is available to your country. And just for example, I will click this Stripe, and then once you are redirected to Stripe website, you need to connect your account, for example, then hit continue, then log in your password, then there is a verification code that will be sent to your mobile number, and you just have to put it 519. So you need to connect, and then that's it. Your Stripe account is now connected, and once you have activated your Shopify Payments, you'll be able to accept payments from your customers using a variety of methods, including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay. In this case, we can receive money through Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Apple Pay. If you have any questions or problems setting up Shopify Payments, you can contact Shopify support for assistance. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.